Hello and welcome to Nikolai's genetics lessons, and today I have prepared another blood relationship problem for you. And as usual, I recommend you to pause the video here, try to solve this problem on your own first, and when you would be ready you can run video again and you can compare your answer with my answer and explanation. So here's a problem. Introducing a woman. Vladimir said she is the mother of the only daughter of my son. How that woman is related to Vladimir. And I want to talk before I will show you how to solve this problem about origin of name Vladimir. You know, Vladimir Putin maybe. This is actually true Russian name, because most of the Russian names are not true Russian names, but Jewish origin, very popular, German or Greek. And Vladimir is actually ancient Russian name, consists of two words, Vlad, meaning own, and the second part, mir, means world. So person who owns the world. And by the way, my son's name is also ancient Russian name, which is Bogdan, which is God given. Those, I do not believe in God, but I like this name. So you learned today a little bit about Russian names. Now let's solve this problem. So she is the mother. She is the mother. And right away we can say that we can draw a picture like this. She is a mother. So she has a husband and she is the mother of the only daughter. So this couple has only daughter, no sons, no any other children. They have only one child, and that child is daughter of my son. So now in picture we have another man who is Vladimir, and let's also add his wife here, because every child has both parents, father and mother. Those mother is not mentioned, but we need her for better understanding this pedigree. So here is Vladimir. So Vladimir. And this is a mother of the child. She is the mother. So mother of the only daughter. Of my son, and he is the son of Vladimir. So as you see, very easy to solve this problem. So when we talk again how that woman is related to Vladimir, this woman is a daughter-in-law of Vladimir. So wife of the son of the Vladimir would be a daughter-in-law, and she also would be a daughter-in-law of the Vladimir's wife. And this is all for today. Thank you for your attention. Please subscribe for my new videos that I post almost every day. Thumbs up if you like this video. Please write your comments, questions if you have any. Share this video with your classmates, and see you in the next video. Goodbye.